The importance of getting traffic to your website cannot be overstated. Here are some key reasons why website traffic is crucial. 1. Potential customers. Website traffic is important because the more people see your site, the more potential customers you will have. 2. Business growth. Website traffic helps your business grow by bringing in quality traffic that benefits the business in the long run. 3. Revenue generation. More traffic means more potential customers and clients, leading to more sales and revenue. 4. Marketing effectiveness. Website traffic is vital for small company marketing as it allows website owners to promote their business successfully on the web. 5. Understanding audience. Tracking website traffic helps you better understand what content is sought after by your audience and what you should focus on in the future. Getting traffic to your website is essential for reaching potential customers, growing your business, generating revenue, and understanding your audience's needs and preferences. If you want an effective working strategy to get unlimited active referrals with no need to do any marketing by your side, you will get real active members to any website or referral link. Click the link in description.